Okay, so in this video we are going to start with bacteria, bacterial habitat. Last video we were done with a lot of things. Like bacteria, ecology, diversity. In this video, bacterial habitat. Okay, so it's like habitat is a place where they do live. Okay, so we are starting with basic information first. So bacteria, which is like, if we talk about habitat, means place where they do live. So bacteria lives in a lot of places, like it is present in almost all the habitat on earth. So present in all habitat on earth. Then this can also be present in soil, water, plants, animals, some radioactive waste as well. Waste, and it is also found in like deep of the earth crust. It's like we know we have 3 to 4 layers of earth. So it's like bacteria can also be found in earth crust. Some arctic sea, arctic ice, and glaciers. It's like bacteria habitat. It's like bacteria is diverse group, which bacteria is present in every habitat which is on the earth. So this means everything, it could be present everywhere, like soil, water, plants, animals, some radioactive waste deep into the earth's crust, or ice, glaciers, or even hot springs too. Like they are present, they don't have any particular, they like some bacteria have particular habitat where they are only supposed to live in that, but rest can sit wherever they want. They can change their habitat, they can do wherever they want. So now it's like they are present everywhere, and their range is like from extending from 30 miles. When we talk about the range, they extended from 30 miles into that, up in the atmosphere, and it's like 30 miles up in atmosphere, and 10,000 meters, 10,000 meters deep in the earth. Okay, like when we go down, that become deep, and atmosphere, which means the upper highest level. So this is the difference. And a gram of water, not gram, but yes, a soil which, wait, there's also soil that contains only maximum bacterial cell. But soil can also contain maximum, and it's like its maximum is also very high for we all. It's like around 40 million bacterial cell. So our soil can typically hold or control 40 million bacterial cells. Okay, then a milliliter of fresh water usually holds one. Oh my god, this is a fact. It's like a literally fact that when we talk about water, even only the milliliter of water, that even contains 40 million bacterial cell. Not 40 million, but there's 1 million bacterial cell. So it's like too much. So this means, if you could think, if water is containing this much ratio, so everything is like bacteria, and we can find so many bacteria on earth. So I'm sure it would be clear. And it's also contain biomass, which is made up of bacteria, like earth biomass, that is also controlled, not controlled, but it also covered by bacterial cells. Then we have, it's like after biomass we do have some distribution, some colonies, some evidence of the bacterial cells as well, because they are developed in like environment total dark and both temperature, pressure. It's like we have bacteria which can survive in a lot of conditions. So there would be few conditions like bacteria where they could also live. There would be few bacteria which can live in high temperature. There would be few which can live in very high or deep inside the earth, so deep inside the earth. And there would be few which would be living or areas where like oxidizing sulfur comes from. And they can, some few can also live in very dark environment, very dark type of condition. And few can also remain where temperature and pressure both are very high. So it's like temperature and pressure both are very high. So this means bacteria you will find everywhere. So bacterial habitat is like a place where bacteria do live. And we have this much information for today, so I'm sure it will be clear to you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.